Trading commodities, physical or back-to-back, has always been risky and difficult. Dealing with large enterprises and customers across the globe nowadays is not easy. We make commodities trading easier and organized, and will quickly show you how. Usually the key holders don't have timely access to the information they need. One major reason for this is that the legacy CTRM products sit outside of the enterprise and ERP. This increases the risk and complexity. A CTRM that resides in your Dynamics ERP can offer solutions to this problem. But getting commodities trading and management integrated with your ERP is not very easy. A good CTRM solution is needed to fulfill the solution, and Robosoft Commodity does it for you. Whether you are a process manufacturer or a physical commodity or back-to-back trader, you can implement Robosoft CTRM in Dynamics NEV or 365 to make financial management easier. We give you control and operational flexibility to make commodity trading and tracking easier. You get the tools and data to make the important decisions much quicker. Not only this, all stakeholders can see what is happening with commodity trades and related financials. Acting according to market conditions becomes faster and reduces risks. Robosoft Commodity connects trading, logistics, production, and financial departments for a seamless flow of information. The status of each contract stays visible for easier tracking of cost. Trading contracts on a simple location provides access to position and valuation of quotes and hedging requirements. The logistics department has access to the same information, and they can execute those contracts in a timely and efficient manner. The production demands and customer delivery schedules can be timely executed. Logistics information flows through to the financial side of your ERP and simplifies the process of invoicing, cost allocation, analysis, and reconciliation. We also have detailed solutions for terminals, refineries, lube and petrochem manufacturing, and debt management built on top of MS Dynamics 365. Robosoft Commodity has been used by more than 150 commodity trading companies across the globe. Send us an email, and we'll be glad to send details.